I'm at Caesars Repblic in Lake Tahoe. This hotel used to be known as Harveys for many decades, and in 2025 it got renovated. It turned into a Caesars Repblic brand. It looks nice. Let's see how it is. Let's go check in. So this is the valet area just here. Valet parking pricing $50. Wow, that's a bit expensive. This is the lobby. It looks very nice. Should we go to express check-in or should we go to a person? Let's go to a person. So we're in room 1626. So that is going to be 16th floor, room 26. These should be the elevators just here. So let's head up. th floor. Let's have a look at the view. I wonder if we can see the lake from here. And oh yes, just over there. There's Bally's. Nice. Like I said, it has been recently renovated because of the name change to Caesars Repblic, and it does look very nice actually. It looks very clean and very tidy. This way, I think. It is, it's this way. I like the carpet. It's very nice. Nice wide halls as well, so it doesn't feel too enclosed. 1620. It's just up here on the left. Wow, well, it's a very long hallway into the room itself, but looking around, it looks really nice. I can't quite tell if this has been renovated or not, but it does look very clean and very tidy. Let's have a look in the bathroom first. So it's, oh wow, yeah, the bathroom stretches all the way down. Okay, toilet right here. I mean, it's a toilet, what do you expect? Towels, a couple of towels there. There's a hairdryer. Sink area looks very clean. What have we got here? Artisan soap. Nice. I'm noticing a bit of a theme here. There's a lot of mirrors in this bathroom. You've got tissues here, your vanity mirror, and then heading down there, like I said, that's where the mirror is. That kind of makes the whole thing illuminated, but that's very strange. Look, coffee maker in the bathroom. Is that normal? Is that normal or am I going crazy? Shower, quite spacious actually. Quite spacious. Put your shower gel, shampoo, soap, whatever there. Let's have a look at the shower head. Fairly clean, bit limescale, but I've seen much worse. It's acceptable. That's quite shiny, very nice. More towels. I much prefer this sort of shower cubicle that's got the door that you can open and close, rather than like a half shower cubicle that doesn't have the door or has some kind of curtain. Stool down there for your vanity area. And coming back into here, this is the big long hallway. This is looking back at it, and the safe was just here. Safe's decent size. Ironing board. Coat hangers, and what's this? Is that, it looks like a blanket. That might be some kind of blanket. The room itself is, well, to me it seems huge. I don't know whether it is. I mean, I'm sure there's bigger suites in this hotel, but it does look really big. Beds, yeah, they seem comfortable. Well, I mean, as it's a Caesars property, not quite sure what to expect from them. I mean, pressing down on them, they seem okay. But we'll see. Just noticed. This has got to be a new phone because it's Caesars Repblic Lake Tahoe on it. Nice. Lights, although this one doesn't seem to work. Never mind. The cupboard to the mini fridge is hanging off. I think it's safe to say that this isn't a renovated room. Let's open this side. Is it chilled in there? It is, yeah. So at least that works. Ooh, trying to push that backwards and it's just falling over. So yeah, that needs fixing. Some drawers, pretty standard, very standard, but look at this. I've got this stuck now. that definitely needs fixing. Kick that shut. Ice bucket and some complimentary water. I assume it's complimentary. There's no mini bar in here, so I suppose that's a good thing. But yeah, panning around, it is a very nice room. So if you get something to eat, bring it back up. That's very nice. And let's have a look at the view. Let's have a look at this view. There's Bally's again. Is that Harrods? I think it is. Or is Harrods the other side? I'm not sure, but there's the lake. It is mostly a lake view. I mean, does this count as a lake view? I'm not sure. But either way, I can see it. It is a very nice view because you do seem to get best of both worlds here. You've got the mountains and the lake. It's very nice. First impressions of the room are that it's really, really nice. It's better than I was expecting. I mean, when it comes to somewhere like Las Vegas, I'm not the biggest Caesars fan, but I will stay at Caesars properties. I'm much more of an MGM person. And with this being a Caesars property, and it has been for quite some time, it's now rebranded to Caesars Repblic, I'm not quite sure what I expected, but honestly, I am genuinely impressed with this room so far. There's plenty more of this resort to check out, so let's go and have a look what that looks like. So coming back out into the hallway, the ice and vending is just down the top end, or is it the bottom end? I'm not quite sure. It's just here, nicely labelled. So I'm going to go in here, get some ice, take it back to the room, and then I'll carry on looking around. Here we are. Excellent. Ice bucket back in the room, and let's carry on up this way. One thing I have noticed about this already is the smell, at least in this corridor. Yeah, it's that special smell that you smell in Vegas. I'm hoping you understand what I mean there. So there's the elevators. We'll get them back down in a second. I just want to see what's at this end, because I think there are two towers to this hotel. This is the Romulus Tower, and I can't remember what the other one's called. We'll have a look when we go downstairs. Oh, okay, so this is the end of the hallway. That's the stairwell. Okay, well, let's head back down to the lobby. So back down here, and that's where we started, that's where we checked in, and that's the casino up there. We'll have a look at that in a bit. Let's have a look around this way. What have we got around here? It smells very nice in here, a very nice scent. Bus lobby, exit human resources. So I'm guessing this is more to do with the folks who work here. So I don't think we can really go through here. Let's head back to the lobby. This is where we came in earlier. And Cleo's Coffee and Cocktails. I mean, that sounds very nice. Anything with the word cocktails in usually sounds quite nice. It looks like a very nice, refreshing little bar. Is that what you would call it, a bar? Or is it more of a... No, it's not a restaurant, is it? Nah. The shop. It's called The Shop. That's all there is about it. Okay, fair enough. Do you know what, actually, while I'm here, see it says keeping it chill and cooler than cool. That little dog thing, wolf thing next to it seems to be a running theme. It's on the room numbers of all the rooms upstairs. So, yeah, that must be some kind of logo for the place. Not quite sure. A very dark corner. So here we've got a Cinnabon, Lake Tahoe hoodies, shirts, mugs, all kinds of stuff. So I think this is more just like a small shopping area. There's the Cinnabon just there. Hats, just clothing in general, I guess. And round here, what have we got? Oh wow, I didn't realise it was this big. I think these are the elevators. They're the Remus Tower elevators. Now I wonder if this bit is the rooms that aren't renovated. I can't be too sure. I really can't, because it looks a little bit, I hate to say this, but lower class down here. Oh gosh, there's an arcade. Wow, okay. There is an arcade down here. I mean, this kind of reminds me of something like Circus, although Circus in Vegas and Reno is much bigger and better than this. But there's games for kids, I guess. Zoltar over there as well. I mean, I assume that this is still like part of the arcade. Pac-Man game, yeah. So there's loads of games here for kids. I wonder if this whole place is kind of geared more towards families rather than, you know, like adults just come to gamble, because the casino seemed like it was upstairs maybe for a reason, and then downstairs is more family friendly, I guess. Wow, this arcade is actually quite big. I didn't realize it was this big. Right, okay. I'm not sure how much more I can keep walking because I don't know where I am now. Yeah, okay. This is the other side of the arcade. What's down there? Okay. I'm not sure what I keep saying okay. Let's see where all this takes us. I do believe there is a passage that goes to the hotel opposite Caesars Repblic, and if we end up in there, I am gonna turn back and then we'll resume at that arcade. But this is going on for quite a way. Ah, here we are, see Harveys. So I think down there takes us to Harveys. Yeah, that does. Let's go up these escalators. Ah, see, now as we come up here, we've entered the casino area. So let's have a quick look around here and see what there is. I mean, generally this really looks nice. I don't know what to say about it. My experience with Northern Nevada is Reno, basically. That's all I've been to, Reno and Wendover. And this looks a million times better than anything I've seen in Reno and Wendover. It is very nice. Like, you can literally tell it has been recently renovated, like very, very recently. High limit. Self-parking is over that way. So I believe if you go up them steps, you can get to the parking garage. And there is like other ways to get to it as well. Wow, this casino is a lot bigger than I thought as well. I don't know whether it's the mirrors that make it look even bigger, but it genuinely seems huge. Wow. So if you're into your gambling and you're in Lake Tahoe, so far, considering this is the only casino I've been to, I'm going to say none of the others can hold a candle to this one. This one seems like a really good casino with plenty of choices. And oh, here's the other end of that high limit. I'm guessing you can kind of walk from one end to the other. Is that how it works? I think so, because I think through there are the table games. So I would assume you could walk all the way through. And I think, yes, we're coming to the end now. This looks like, if we look down, it's going to be the lobby. It's a bit quieter this end of the casino as well. A bit more peaceful, I guess. And yes, it is. More slot machines that way. Very, very huge. Okay, so let's have a quick look down here and then we'll go and find the pool area. I wonder where that is. I haven't seen any signs for it. But yeah, there we go. There's the lobby. I love this chandelier. Look at that. Is it a chandelier? Either way, it's a nice feature. And there's the lobby. Let's go find this pool. So I found a sign which said, take these escalators upwards from the casino level to get to the pool and fitness center. See, now this floor looks less renovated. So Remus Tower elevators and sales office. There we are, health club pool. Yeah, it's, I'm guessing this is probably going to be the next area that they renovate. It would make sense too, wouldn't it? What we got here? 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Okay. So this is where the pool is. I can get in with my room key. I don't particularly want to though, because they don't take too kindly sometimes to when you want to film around a pool area. But either way, that's where the pool will be. And if I can get in there at some point to film, I will. But I want to see what's down this end. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Okay, well, let's head back downstairs and keep looking. So it does seem like a really big hotel, especially on the first floor and second floor, like the casino area and the arcade area and the shops. But like any further up doesn't seem to be that big at all. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to have a little wander around, maybe go in the casino, go get something to eat, go out in Stateline, which is the town that we're in, and then we'll catch up sometime tomorrow morning and I'll tell you how much I paid for my room here and my final thoughts on this whole place. So I will see you in the morning. Good morning. So how much did I pay for this room? Lucky for me, I'm a member of Caesars Rewards and I paid nothing for this room apart from the resort fee. And with taxes, that comes to $30.72. So for one night at Caesars Repblic, $30, that's not too bad at all. The going rates for this place generally seem to be around $100, depending what time of year it is and what day of the week it is. Generally, if you are a Caesars Rewards card holder, you'll be able to get this for free. Just pay the resort fee, or you might even get the resort fee waived. Parking for guests is $20 a night, which it seems a bit steep, but in all honesty, if you're staying somewhere in Vegas, you expect to pay those rates anyway, but that's fine. The room itself, good. I really like it. I'm not a huge fan of Caesars properties, like anywhere in the United States, but generally I found this one to be really, really nice. The arcade area was good. That could do with a bit of a renovation. And the upper floor where the pool is, all that area looks like it could do with a bit of renovation as well. Whether they're going to get round to that, I don't know. But the casino, nicely renovated. The hallways look great. The rooms, again, I can only speak for this tower. I can't speak for the other tower. But this room is really, really nice. The only fault I could find, like you saw earlier, was just the door that goes to the mini fridge. Beds, about the same comfort level as what you'd expect at somewhere like Flamingo or Link in Las Vegas. They were okay. They were decent. I was able to get a good night's sleep. Property itself, on the whole, I think rebranding to Caesars Repblic has done it some good. I imagine when it was still Harveys, it might have looked a little bit run down. So I think they've done a good job here. Would I recommend staying here if you come to Lake Tahoe? Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I've not seen the other properties, but right now, I would probably pick this property over even thinking about somewhere like Harrods, just because I don't know. I think location, even though they're next to each other, this one felt much more useful, if that makes sense. It's a nice property overall. Really enjoyed it. So yeah, if you are in Tahoe, perhaps come and stay here. There'll be a couple of videos on the screen now if you want to watch any other videos on my channel, and a little subscribe button just down below if you fancy subscribing and seeing more videos like this, or just general travel videos. But thank you so much for watching all the way through this. I hope to see you in another one of my videos. Take care.